What if the real reason you keep missing clay targets has nothing to do with your shotgun? What if it has nothing to do with your cartridges, your choke, or even your swing? What if the biggest problem starts before the trigger is ever pulled? For years, clay shooters have been taught the same basics. Lead the target, match the speed, swing through, pull the trigger. And yes, those ideas matter. But if they were enough on their own, then every shooter would be consistent. Every round would feel smooth. Every target would break. Yet that is not what happens. One day, you are hitting everything with confidence. The next day, you cannot seem to connect with a single bird. So what is really going wrong? According to legendary shooting coach Ben Husthwaite, the answer is not found in the gun, it is found in the mind. It is found in the eyes. And it is found in the way you see the target before you ever move the shotgun. Welcome back to Shotgun Reloaded. Today, we are breaking down Ben Husthwaite's clay shooting method and showing why so many shooters believe it changes everything. This is not about forcing the shot. This is about building a system that helps you shoot with more confidence, more control, and more consistency. Let's get into it. Chapter 1. Vision comes first. One of the biggest lessons in Ben Husthwaite's method is simple but powerful. Your eyes control the shot. Most shooters become obsessed with the shotgun. They think about barrel position, they think about lead distance, they think about timing, they think about where the muzzle is pointing. But Husthwaite believes all of that comes second. The first and most important thing is vision. Before your hands move, before your body reacts, and before your finger touches the trigger, your eyes have already done the most important work. They have found the target. They have measured its speed. They have recognized its direction. They have started telling your brain what needs to happen next. That is why elite shooters look so calm. They are not staring at the gun. They are locked onto the clay with complete focus. Their eyes stay committed to the target from the moment it appears until the moment it breaks. That visual connection is what separates average shooters from top performers. Average shooters often split their attention. They look at the target, then the barrel, then the target again. That tiny loss of focus creates hesitation, and hesitation creates misses. Husthwaite's message is clear. If you want better results, stop trying to control everything with the gun. Start by controlling where your eyes go, because when your vision is strong, your shooting becomes stronger too. Chapter 2. The Pickup Point and Hold Point. Once your eyes know how to find the target, the next step is understanding where the shot begins. It starts with the pickup point. The pickup point is where your eyes first lock onto the clay after it leaves the trap. Most shooters never think about it. They call for the bird and hope they see it quickly. But hope is not a strategy. Ben Husthwaite teaches shooters to know exactly where their eyes will go before they call, "Pull!" Why? Because every fraction of a second matters. The earlier you see the target, the earlier your brain starts processing speed, direction, and flight path. More information means better decisions, and better decisions mean better shots. When shooters find the target late, they rush, they panic, they force the shot, and that often leads to a miss. But when the target is picked up early and clearly, everything changes. The shot feels slower. The target becomes easier to read. Confidence increases. Control improves. Now let's talk about the hold point. If the pickup point tells your eyes where to start, the hold point tells your gun where to start. A poor hold point creates extra movement. The gun travels farther. Timing becomes harder. A good hold point does the opposite. It places the shotgun in a position that supports the target's flight path. Instead of chasing the clay, the gun is already prepared to move. Ben Husthwaite often says the gun should never be playing catch-up. It should start from a position of advantage. Think of a sprinter on the starting blocks. He prepares before the race begins. Clay shooting works the same way. When your hold point is correct, the movement feels smoother, the shot becomes simpler, and consistency becomes easier to achieve. Because consistency is not built by luck. It is built by preparation. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to subscribe to Shotgun Reloaded for more clay shooting tips, shotgun reviews, and advanced shooting techniques. And leave a comment below. What is the biggest challenge you face in clay shooting right now? Thanks for watching. Stay focused, stay smooth, and keep breaking clays.